Hi there, and welcome to the online showroom here at Miracle Truck and Car Company. Today we're happy to present this 2017 Ford F150 4x4 XLT with 16,600 kilometers. And as you can see, it's got an optional roof-mounted light bar. This is a local truck. There's no accidents. We've got both sets of keys, and it's got the optional Ford XTR 4x4 off-road package. This 2017 Ford F150 has a 2-inch lift. And check out those tires. Those are an LT 325 /65 18-inch with the factory alloy wheels. Man, it's just such a nice truck. It's got those nice chrome side steps too. This F-150 is equipped with the optional maximum tow package, which I believe will tow up over 11,000 pounds. Out of a 6-cylinder with a twin turbo, that's amazing. If you've got tall people in your family or you need a cavernous back seat, no problem, Ford's got you covered. Check that out. There's a ton of room. That's with the seat folded up. Go ahead and lock yourself out, because you know what? With your personal private code, you can open it right back up. You've got power windows, power locks, air conditioning, tilt steering, cruise control, and keyless remote. This F-150 has factory trailer brake control. It also has the trailer backup system, which you don't see on a lot of trucks. Electronic 4-wheel drive, and the sync system. You'll only find that on a Ford F-150. This truck has 16,600 local kilometers, and what every truck should have, in my opinion, a backup camera. If it's raining or snowy or just windy and cold outside, don't worry. We'll take whatever vehicle you're looking at, like this 17 Ford F-150, we'll back it into our heated indoor showroom. You can see it underneath the showroom lights, have a coffee, take your time and relax. You really need to see this truck. It's got so many options I haven't listed in this video. And if you are financing, we offer low rates with extended terms. Plus, we also assist customers that have BRUISED credit, which means we'll get you into a newer vehicle like this Ford F-150 at a lower rate the whole time rebuilding your credit. We're located on the corner of Highway 4 and Alberni Highway in the beautiful Qualicum Beach, Coombs area. All you have to do is look for the Coombs Country Junction. You'll see our outdoor display and the Miracle Truck and Car Company sign. And all you got to do is go straight down and you'll run right into our indoor showroom. You know what? It's just a nicer way to buy a vehicle. You can deal with one or both of the owners. We'll answer all your questions. We'll get you approved. We'll get you a payment. We'll appraise your car. It's simpler. It's easier. We hope you'll enjoy it. And you know what? We just really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video.